Here. And today we're going to level up your car knowledge with 5 simple car hacks that'll save you time, money, and maybe even a headache or two. We're talking about those little things that can make a big difference in your car ownership experience too. Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. These tips will save you time, money, and make your life a whole lot easier. So let's get started. All right. Let's kick things off with a problem that plagues a ton of cars' foggy headlights. You know what I'm talking about? Those hazy, yellowed-out headlights that make your car look like it's been sitting in the sun for a decade. Not only do they make your car look old, but they can also be a safety hazard by reducing visibility at night. But don't worry, I've got a solution that's so easy you won't believe it. All you need is toothpaste. Yes, regular toothpaste and a microfiber cloth. Apply a small amount of toothpaste to your microfiber cloth and start working it into the headlight lens using circular motions. Keep rubbing for a few minutes, making sure to cover the entire surface. Once you've given your headlights a good scrub, grab a clean microfiber cloth and wipe off all the toothpaste residue. You'll be amazed at the difference. Your headlights will be noticeably clearer and brighter. Now let's talk about those pesky little dents that seem to appear out of nowhere. Before you spend a lot at a body shop, let me show you a trick using just hot water and a plunger. If the dent is on your hood, make sure the engine is cool before you start pouring hot water on it. Once it's safe, grab a bucket or pitcher and carefully pour hot, not boiling water over the dent. Now, grab your trusty plunger and make sure it's clean. Place the plunger over the dent, creating a good seal, and push and pull the plunger, applying firm and even pressure. You might need to do this a few times, but with a little luck, you'll see that dent start to pop back out. And the best part? It's practically free. Say goodbye to Frozen Doors, the cooking spray secret. If you live in a place where winter means freezing temperatures, then you know the struggle of dealing with frozen car doors. But don't worry, I've got a simple solution that'll make you say goodbye to frozen doors for good. And the secret weapon is probably already in your pantry cooking spray. Grab your cooking spray and head out to your car. Open each door and locate the rubber seals that run along the door frame. Lightly spray those rubber seals and then take a clean cloth and wipe off any excess spray. The cooking spray creates a barrier that prevents ice from sticking to the rubber so your doors won't freeze shut. This trick is a lifesaver on those frigid mornings when you just want to get in your car and go. DIY car air freshener, ditch the chemical overload. Let's face it, nobody likes getting into a car that smells like stale fast food or gym socks. But those store-bought air fresheners can be expensive and loaded with chemicals. The good news is you can easily make your own DIY car air freshener that smells amazing and is way better for you and the environment. For this hack, you'll need a small jar with a lid, baking soda, and your favorite essential oil. Start by filling your jar about halfway with baking soda, then add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Put the lid on the jar and give it a good shake to distribute the scent. Poke some holes in the lid to allow the fragrance to escape. Place your DIY air freshener under your seat or in your cup holder and enjoy the fresh scent. Detailing hacks, conquering those hard-to-reach places. We've all been there trying to clean those tight, awkward spots in our cars, like the air vents, the seams between the seats, or the area around the gear shift. Well, my friends, those days of frustration are over. I've got a simple hack that will make you a detailing ninja, able to conquer even the most challenging nooks and crannies. All you need is a flathead screwdriver and a microfiber cloth. Take your microfiber cloth and wrap it tightly around the end of the flathead screwdriver. Now you've got yourself the ultimate detailing tool. The thin, flat shape of the screwdriver allows you to easily reach those tight spots, while the microfiber cloth grabs all the dust, dirt and crumbs. You can use this trick to clean your air vents, the seams between your seats, the area around your cup holders and so much more. This hack is a game changer for anyone who takes pride in keeping their car clean. And there you have it. 5 easy car hacks that you can do in just a few minutes. I hope these tips make your car ownership experience a bit smoother and more enjoyable. If you try any of these hacks, let us know in the comments below how they worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more handy car tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy driving.